and he's a lot of fun to work with. He has more fun at work than most people do at parties. Ladies and gentlemen, Bob Loeffler.
Thank you very much. So success is what I talk about to real estate agents every day. I teach real estate agents how to become successful salespeople.
I want you to write this down. $100,000 to $200,000 of extra income over the next 12 months. That's what we're here to talk about today.
I really like the presentation that Bob has to offer. Great information, great insight. It's really a lot of good stuff that's going to definitely make you more money.
Yeah, I absolutely love the course. Yeah, I've learned a lot today, and I'm a licensed agent for 24 years.
And all of those are insanely profitable if you do it the way I teach you. So just go ahead and cross those off, okay?
There's things that I'm learning today that I'm going to apply immediately.